Anthropic first built Claude Code for people who can code. Then they built Cowork for everyone else. Same brain, no coding required. You would just chat with it the way you would with your friend. And trust me, you'll be blown away when you see what it can do. Considering the fact that it can not only create and edit documents but also delete them, you would not want to grant it access to your entire system, but you would want to control the same here. You just select which folder you would want it to work with. Either select an existing folder or create a new folder. Then open it. And it will ask you in case you're okay with Claude editing, deleting, and sharing the files with the connected tools. Say yes. You can upload as many files and photos you want here. This is where you select the permission. When you select the first one, Claude will pause before each and every action for your approval. And for the second one, it doesn't pause for your approval for every action, but Anthropic says that it will ask for your approval before deletion. You can select models and the effort levels here. You can select models only before you start a new session, not after you start a session. Just see here. Model can't be changed once a session has been started. Next up, we have Customize. Here we have the Customize button. For now, we will just take a look at what all features we have available. Later, we will cover these in detail. Under Customize, we have Skills. Skills provided by Anthropic, which you can install. And then you have Connectors, which are provided by Anthropic, as well as Partners, which you can install by clicking on this plus button. And then you have Plugins, same provided by Anthropic as well as Partners. The same can be accessed via Connectors here, Plugins here. If you want to add a new skill, then you click here, Add, Upload a skill, or Create or Write skill instructions. You choose any of these options. Even for connectors, you can add here, add custom connector, and then you go ahead with this. And for plugins, similarly, you can go with any of the options available here. This is where you see your plan usage limit. This is going to be the 5-hour rolling window. And this one is your weekly limits. And the capabilities, make sure you turn on this in case you want Claude to remember the relevant context from your chats. Here, it's better the first one is selected, so the less tokens are consumed. And this one has to be enabled in case you want to create a new skill. Remember when we tried to add a folder initially, it asked if we are okay with Claude making changes to the folder. But in case you're adding a folder here, then Claude won't ask you to confirm. You just click on Manage, Add Folder, and select the folder here and then say Open. And done. Scroll down, Global Instructions. What goes here? Instructions that you put here will apply to all Cowork sessions. It will be about who you are and what you like, what you don't like, and what you want Claude to do. For example, here I'm saying I'm pursuing AI and ML. I create content on the same and distribute it on social media. I prefer professional tone and keep content precise and no em dashes. So you can mention your personal preferences, any context that you want Claude to always remember. Next is Claude in Chrome. In case you have any internal dashboards or portals to which connectors are not available, then Claude will use Claude in Chrome extension to access and work on your websites. You need to go and enable this in Chrome browser. And here you can add the list of websites that you don't want the Claude in Chrome to access. And to enable the Claude in Chrome, just come over to Chrome browser, click here, Extensions, visit Chrome Web Store, look for Claude, and then click Install. And once you install, go back to the extensions, My Extensions. You will see Claude, say Details, scroll and ensure that you toggle these on so that you have Claude available here. So you can have discussion with it. Just remember, keep computer awake. We'll come back to it later. Now computer use, when you turn this on or when you enable this, what happens? Claude can work like a real human being at a desk. You just described what you want. It can see your screen. It can open apps, click buttons, fill the forms. Always ask for permission before touching any apps and you stay in control. Next up, we have new task. I wouldn't be surprised if someone who is new is having 3 different types of conversations in the same chat session with Claude. Say invoicing for client A, marketing campaign for client B, and SEO audit for client C. What happens here? Two things. One, token usage. On the 35th the message that you send, Claude reads message 1 till 35th. On the 38th the message that you send, Claude reads message 1 till 38th. So you are burning a lot of tokens here. Second thing, there is context rot that is happening. Three topics are not related to each other. So Claude will get confused. Instead, what you do is every time there's a new topic, you start a new task. Second thing, even if the topic is same and you have reached 15 messages, make sure you start a new task so that Claude stays focused. Whenever you start a new task, make sure you give it relevant files and photos that it requires, and also skills. If any skill is not available, make sure you add it or install it. And also same applies for connectors. If it requires any connectors, make sure you add those, and if any connector is not required, ensure to toggle it off. Same thing applies for plugins as well, and you select the required folders here and also the necessary permissions and the model and the effort. And when the task kicks off, on the progress panel, you can see the progress of the task. You can see the outputs and all the documents that it has and the context, tools, connectors, and the skills that it is using. And in the midway, if you see Claude is not following the path it should ideally follow, or if you see that it is going on a wrong track, you can pause and chat with it. Next up, we have projects. If you're working on something big like a product launch or a client account, then project is the best thing. Here you go, projects. I have some projects created for creation of Instagram carousels, generation of PDF guides for the Claude features. Projects are the best way to provide all the context that Claude requires in terms of conversations, files, instructions, everything in one place. Next up, we have artifacts. These are for the live artifacts. These are created using connectors. For example, this is created using Jira. I have turned off the connector, so that is the reason you're not seeing the information. I've just turned it on now. I refresh it. This one actually shows the live data. Instead of opening tools like Jira every time, you create a live artifact here with a customized view. And wherever just you open the artifact, it refreshes, showing you the latest updates. Next, we have schedule tasks and dispatch. Schedule tasks. If you have to do something periodically, like same report every Monday, same summary every Friday. For example, projects. I have to create Instagram carousels, so I can actually schedule it here. So that's what schedule task is for. But for this, your desktop app has to be open. Remember the computer awake settings that we discussed? It should be turned on here, general, keep the computer awake. While Claude is open, so schedule task can run. Dispatch. Dispatch is when you are in a back-to-back meeting and you can't really operate your laptop, but you have phone. You message Claude from your phone. Your computer has to be on, your desktop app has to be open, and Claude works on it just like you have a human being sitting and working on it. That's every corner of cowork. Pick one thing from this video today. Try it yourself. More coming on how to put these features actually to use. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.